Hi everyone, this is again Miss Anne. Today I'll be sharing with you how we can create videos without the use of any external applications. Yes, you heard me right. This is just by using PowerPoint in just 3 steps. Stay tuned!
How to make your videos in just few steps. Are you ready? I am so excited too! Choose any presentation you have in your files. I know that just like me, you have so much in store of these different presentations you have used from the last year. Here goes your presentation. Animate your presentation. The first thing you have to do is to click the text box. You can see there the blue rectangle and then go to animations. There are a lot of choices when you click the drop-down menu under the animation. You have to animate each element like text box, picture, in your slide for more engaging presentations. Next is to embed your audio recording. The first thing that you have to do is to go to the toolbar and choose Insert, then click the audio icon. Click the audio and then choose Record Audio. Then click the red button to start recording. Once you're done, click the blue button to end the recording, then click OK. You will see this icon once your recording is saved. Don't forget to embed audio recording in each slide to baffle dull moments. And finally, in the toolbar, click File and choose Save As. In the drop-down menu, look for Windows Media Video and click Save. Saving might take some time depending on the number of slides you have, animations you put, and audio recording you embed. Don't worry, it will be worth the wait.
Well, maybe a lot of us are shy showing our faces on screen, but we can embed our own voice to make it more personal. So what can you say? Until next vlog, see ya!